you can't subscribe or follow Sarvesh AstraX, he lies, bro.
Today we're going to explore a crazy text and image to video tool with an impressive natural audio feature. Here you can see the Kling 2.6 audio homepage from Higgsfield. And I am going through the homepage entirely to show you what it offers. On its homepage itself, you can find a Get Your Guide option with some expert prompts, so I try to explore the page. It has a clear example of how powerful Kling 2.6 on Higgsfield is. They have added a list of prompts with example videos, including UGC ads and cinematic graphical outputs and more, so you can explore those videos to understand how you can use it. Let us dive into Kling 2.6 and let us test it. First, I tried to check its ability to create sound. I prompted it to create a vintage rally car drifting around a dirt corner. It should have a roaring engine sound and tire screeching sound. Additionally, I have added about aggressive camera movement. When you see the Higgsfield Kling video creation page, you can find out whether you can choose the video generation with audio or not. It has an audio enable or disable option and you can choose the video generation model. It has a variety of models, so I'm going to use Kling 2.6. It has an option to control your duration between 5 seconds and 10 seconds, and you can control the aspect ratio of your video output. For this, I'm going to choose 16:9. Let us see how the output is coming out. Basically, Kling 2.6 offers you 1080p output with around 5 to 10 seconds of duration with audio included. It has a native audio function, which is a special feature apart from many other video generation models. So here is the output, you can see it. It has the native audio which we added, but the issue is instead of adding only sound design alone, it has added the wordings what we written in the prompt as a voiceover. We did not mention about adding it as voiceover, we just added about the sound and instructed how the sound should be added, but it has added additional voiceover from the script itself. Next, let us see about creating a cinematic shot of a cyberpunk street food vendor in winter in Tokyo. This time, I'm going to use the aspect ratio of 9:16. So it has created the output video and you can see it. The close-up shot of the food winter face is really cool and it is just natural. While zooming out, the entire cyberpunk city looks really great, but I can see a drawback in the environment. While it is zooming out, you can see the food vendor is alone. The natural elements like other people around him are missing, which makes the scene feel a bit empty. So again, I want to check one more generation with an astronaut inside a helmet looking terrified to tell something scary about what he saw. You can see the output now. It has created the output, which is really great. It has created the dark atmosphere around the astronaut. The astronaut face inside the helmet is visible and it has proper pronunciation with the terrified tone, which is exactly what is promised by Kling 2.6 natural audio. Let us dive into creating one more output, which should have a high-speed chase on an industrial road. Let us see how it comes. It is like a Hollywood shot with the audio available. I have changed the aspect ratio and the duration to 10 seconds. So here is the output. It has created the output nicely. Even the avatar from the car, after hitting the other car, pronounces correctly with what we have given as script. The audio dialogue delivery is really great, but except for a few minor bugs in visuals, other things are perfectly crafted.
Hold on! He's trying to run us off the road!
Fine, now let us try one more thing. This time I choose to create a rain scene with a character, dialogue delivery output, with 5 seconds output, and the aspect ratio to 9:16. It should have some whispering sound from the character and the rainy nature sound. In the output, the only drawback is it has created the output, but it has created a bobblehead type of output, which we never mentioned. We just mentioned around his wet face on the rain-soaked alleyway at night, but it has created the head alone like a bobblehead. Sometimes it is listening properly, other times it has some flaws in understanding the script. Let us jump into trying something new, like a first-person point-of-view roller coaster ride with some audio on it. Now you can see the output. So it has created the output nicely, but the one drawback is the roller coaster is going in reverse in the scene while seeing the perspective of the persons in the roller coaster rider. And it has added the flawless hair movement and everything, but the only drawback is it is reversing the concept, which naturally is a reversing concept which we do not want as an output. And this time I want to try some image to video with audio add-on. So I decided to add some dragon image. So let us see how it comes. I just added some actions to the dragon through the prompt, which has some effects.
Heavy snore escalating into a loud snort.
Let us find how the audio should be enabled here. It has created the video, but the only drawback is the audio what we gave the instruction as created as a voiceover, not the sound effects that we asked. It just added as a voiceover, which is a drawback. Sometimes it is understanding the concept and carries over next, but sometimes if you mention separately or you just forget to understand how it comes, it has a prompting drawback. So I just want to clear the drawback and check its output again. So this time I decided to try with two cute little babies or little children at the park with some loudly and excited audio script. Let us see how it comes. So I've added the input image and the prompt. Here is the output. So it has correctly added the voiceover to each of the children and the emotions are currently captured this time. So we need to add the voiceover script properly. Sometimes it has some flaws and has failed to create some proper outputs, but sometimes it is creating really great outputs too. So again, I want to create some scary output from the women model. Let us test its image to video output once again. So I have added the women model photo and also updated the prompt and added audio script to know whether it will create the proper audio. In the output video, I can see it has proper zoom in and the output is really acceptable. I really like this output when it comes to UGC ads and dialogues over the characters. It is doing these things correctly. So again, I tried to do a voice sync to a different model. It has created the output, even the dialogues are perfect, but only drawback is additional sound effects, which is scary at the end of the scene. So we need to post-process our output to edit the output, which we need to be used in later. Again and again, I tried to create a few more outputs using the characters with the dialogues. You can see the outputs one by one here. Really, the outputs are something great, but it has some flaws, like incomplete dialogues. If we add some aggressive innocence, the output is starting to give the proper voiceover to that, but it has some unpleasant and incomplete voiceovers. Some outputs with voiceover are understandable and some are not. So it is just not about the prompting which we need to know about this. But I can surely say, while comparing with the other models in the dialogue delivery and the nature of functionalities with the SFX options, this one is really playing a great role, which we never disagree. So if you are going for your UGC ad, Kling 2.6 is the best choice. Hence, you can really go through it, but you need some scripting knowledge and you need to edit few parts from the output video. So if you can see Higgsfield with other platforms, you can see the large difference from the pricing and the credit usage. Higgsfield is really outstanding. You can see the sort other models are charging you plenty of money for the single video, even for the little duration. But Higgsfield cost is very less, and you can really go through the pricing for your benefits. So do not miss to try that Kling 2.6 audio in Higgsfield. Here are the offer details. The Nano Banana Pro X Kling Unlimited 365 days plan is 67% off. This is the biggest price drop in Gen AI history. You can save up to 67% on all Higgsfield plans. The Pro plan starts from $17.40 and the Ultimate from $24.50, while the Team plan starts from $35 per seat. This is a limited time offer that ends December 16. It gives you access to 365 days of unlimited image generations, unlimited access to Kling 2.6 and access to Nano Banana Pro. Also, the 80% offer is going to end in a day, so go grab the offer. And do not forget to subscribe to Sarvesh AstraX for more AI-related videos. Like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to follow my Instagram page for daily updates. You can find the link through the description and comment section pinned comment. For more videos, put your like and comment what could be the next video you want to be. Thanks for watching.